Hey everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today I'm going to be taking a look at a couple different cases for the Apple AirPods Pro 2s. These cases are from ESR, and I do appreciate ESR sending these over to the channel for unboxing and a initial first look. So as you can see, AirPods Pro 2 in the new case with all the lanyard attachments, speaker on the bottom, etc. So we have those. And the first one I'm going to take a look at is this ESR case. This is a hybrid case, or they call it the hybrid case. So this will be a fairly quick video. Just want to take these out, check them out, see what you get here. So you do get the case. And it's got this plastic on here, which I probably can take off a better way. And this does have a sticky adhesive top, so when you put it on the top of the AirPods, it sticks. I'm not going to use that right now because I have to check out a couple other things. And then it also comes with a tool to, I guess, eject the AirPods because it is probably a tight-fitting case on the bottom. Yeah, so it does kind of go in there. It's got a built-in lanyard. As you can see, the cutouts in the bottom for the different accessories on the bottom of the AirPods. I don't know if you can see this, but this is kind of a beveled edge, so you can still use your lightning connector. And then this goes on the top like that. Like I said, I will not adhere it on there because I don't want to, I need to be able to get this out. As you can see, this is really pretty thick. So it adds quite a bit of protection to the AirPods. You can see it's fairly thick around the edges. You can still access the button on the back, but it's nice because it has the lanyard built in. And this does work with MagSafe. So I have a little MagSafe charger here, and you can see when I connect it, you do hear the ding and the light turns on. And this is an ESR HaloLock magnetic MagSafe charger. I did a review on the channel prior with that. But yeah, so you can see MagSafe sticks on there. So this is the hybrid case. So we'll go ahead and take this off. Use their little tool to stick it in the lightning port and kind of, well, maybe I have to put this down. Push it out. So that is what the hybrid case looks like. They also give you a little bit of a cleaner brush, I guess, to clean out the case or clean out your AirPod things. At least that's what it shows on the directions, is you can clean. So I guess you get that. And then the second one is the ESR Armor case. And this is called the Cyber Armor Tough Case. And basically, you know, similar look. It's kind of thick. It also is MagSafe compatible, and you can see there's some magnets there. And this one just comes with the built-in clip. So the same sort of thing. Bottom slides in, top sticks on, and then operates as you would expect. So this does have the same cutouts, although you can't, it's very much more strategic. The other one had kind of a big hole there. Now this one has actual individual holes for each of the different items. It does have a button on the back. And the same sort of thing. Go ahead, MagSafe. So if you want to take a look at these next to each other, you'll basically see they're about the same size overall. One just has a little bit more of a cyber tough looking design, and this one has just more of a plain design. And then this one has a lanyard, and this one has a clip. So I will go ahead and link to these in the description of the video if you want to check those out. I think they're both around the $25 range. I mean, definitely you spend a lot of money on your AirPods and you want to keep them safe. You want to keep them from flying out of your pocket or just losing them, dropping them, breaking them, etc. I think both of these are really nice options from ESR. So like I said, if you have any questions, go ahead and post those below. This is Andrew from TS for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.